Hey you guys, welcome back to Darkside Diesel. So we are going to be putting drop shackles today on our '01 Ram 2500. It's our two-wheel drive. Fun little truck to drive. It's a daily driver, and we're just doing slight modifications over time to it, and then eventually we're planning on building some power and having some fun with it. But I got this set of 2-inch drop shackles off of eBay. This thing's got some pretty gnarly rake from the factory. I think it's like 4 3/4 inches taller in the rear than the front. And so we're just going to be removing the factory shackles, putting these aftermarket ones in. It's supposed to give us a 2-inch drop, so hopefully that's what it will do. We got 1/2-inch drive ratchet, 1/2-inch drive breaker bar extension, T60 Torx bit, and 24mm socket to get the job done. And then you're gonna need a jack, and we have a roll pan, so we're having to put our jack underneath with a wood block to hold the back up, since we don't have a hitch to lift on. And shouldn't be too bad on these ones. It is a little bit of a pain because the upper bolt on the shackle, it doesn't come right out. We're gonna have to take the bottom one out and then lower the back down so that it's above the frame and take it out that way. So a little bit more tricky than some of the newer ones that I've done, but should be pretty good. I want to take a quick measurement from the floor to the bed for before and after. So we'll go to the center of our rear wheel. We'll go up to the bed. We're at 39 inches. So we should be about at 37 when these are done. So hopefully it goes smoothly, and we'll get them on and see how it works out. Alright you guys, so we got the drop shackle install done. So I'll show you what that looks like. So we got our new drop shackles there installed. It's really simple, just those 2 bolts, and you just need to make sure that you support the bed, and you're going to lower it down a lot because these upper bolts have to go over the frame rail from the inside. So you got to get the leaf up there and get those bolts out and put the new shackles in, put the bolt back through. I always use red Loctite on bolts like these, and so it turned out really good. I like these drop shackles because they have a grease zerk on them. And then our other side, all done. And it lowered the truck from 39 inches to 37 inches and 5/8, so not quite 2 inches like we wanted, but I do want to get the truck lower. So my plan is to possibly take out the overload leaf and possibly the block, depending on how much we're going to go down. The back's still quite a bit higher than the front. We don't plan on towing heavy with this truck, we're just making it a sleeper, go out, have some fun in, and we might just tow a small trailer. But we do have airbags on this truck if we need to. We can bump it up if we take the overloads out, but I don't think we ever will need to. Alright, thanks you guys for watching. Hope you like. Super easy to do. I mean, you could do this at your house with just the right tools. 24mm socket and a T60 Torx bit, a jack, you know, some wood. Just do it safely and get those tight, Torx back on them, red Loctite. Thanks you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed.